Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So it's business planning season for many of the customers that I work with on a routine basis. They're trying to lay out their CapEx plan for 2021. And in conversations I've had with some clients, the issue of warranties has come up again. And I thought this might be a good time to give a high-level review of the types of roof warranties. The reason being is that there seems to be some misconceptions out there. And before everybody gets too deep into the year, I thought this might be a good time to go through that. Some of the conversations that I've had, a couple of points that have been brought up. Number one, clients are concerned, they're frustrated because they've had roofs that didn't last as long as they thought they should have. Most roofs in America are warranted for 20 years. Statistically, they don't last that long. They're concerned because when they've had leaks repaired in the past, they didn't realize until afterwards that the only thing the warranty covers is repair of the leak, but not any damage to the building or the building contents. And they're also aggravated because they found out once they read the fine print on a warranty that they're responsible for the preventive maintenance, which is logical. But their core business is doing something else, not taking care of the roof. So having said that, there's lots of warranties out there. Most of them say 20 years, but they're different. They're different just like cats and dogs are different. Cats and dogs are both furry, they have 4 legs, they can be lovable. But you'd be disappointed if you bought a new cat and you brought it home and it barks. That's where some of our customers have been frustrated because they bought a roof system and a warranty from somebody else and they found out at the end of the day it was not what they expected. So a couple of analogies, if I may. Number one, if you go to buy a new car, you go to the dealership and you're going to tell them what type of car you want. You want a sedan, you want a sports car, you want a pickup truck, you want an SUV. You start there and then you go through all the features that you want. And you want to make sure that it has a warranty at the end of the day, but the warranty is not the first thing you ask for. Another analogy, if you may have in your house the flatware that your grandparents got when they were married 100 years ago. It was of such a high quality, it lasted their lifetime and will last your lifetime. And you may leave it to your children in your will. It never came with a warranty. So the fact that roofs come with warranties, it's not analogous to how long they're going to last or the quality of them. So it shouldn't be the primary criteria by which you go out and buy a roof. So having said that, what are some of the typical types of warranties that are out there? Number one would be a material warranty from the manufacturer. And all it says is if the roof fails, they will provide you the new material. It'll be palletized, they'll leave it on your loading dock. You got to figure out a way to put it on your building. Assembly not included. But people make the mistake and buy a material-only warranty, and later on they have a problem because the roof isn't actually repaired or replaced. Number two would be a prorated manufacturer's warranty. And this would be analogous to if you buy a new battery for your car, it comes with a 60-month warranty, and in the first 6 months, for instance, if that battery fails, you get a free battery. If it fails in the 59th month, you get a few dollars. Exactly the same principle applies. So buyer beware. The third would be a manufacturer's labor and material warranty, sometimes called a no dollar limit or NDL warranty. This is what most people think they're buying, but you need to verify that is in fact what a contractor is giving you. And what this says is that should the roof fail and need to be replaced, all of the labor and material to put that new roof on your building, they're included in that warranty. That's what most people want. That's what they think they're buying. And they find out they're buying one of the other types by accident. And then the last is a contractor's labor and material warranty. And this is really nothing but a marketing gimmick by some contractors where they're saying it's easier for you as a building owner or it's a single source opportunity. What it really is that contractor owns you as a client and owns the roof for 20 years. You don't own the roof. If in the 20-year period you become disenchanted with them as a contractor and you fire them, your warranty is voided. If by chance somebody else does any work on that roof, your warranty is voided. So buyer beware. So at the end of the day, there's many different types of roofs and roof systems. You want to select the right roof, maintain the roof, and select the right warranty to go along with the package. The roof keeps the water out of the building. The warranty does not. So if any of this resonates with you, or if you'd like to have a more in-depth conversation about the types of roof systems and roof warranties that go with them, let me know. My contact information's in this post. And as always, don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn or on YouTube at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. You have a safe week.